Welcome to my channel. It's me Drona. Today I will teach you the breathing technique. Take a seat in a quiet, comfortable place where you can be free from distractions. Sit up tall with a natural spine. Slowly shift front to back and side to side until you feel that the crown of your head sits directly over your tailbone. Let your chin drop towards natural. Release your shoulders by resting your arms naturally in your lap with your palm face up or down. Close your eyes and breathe quietly and slowly in and out through your nose. Take a moment to settle your attention on the breath. Notice the movement of a breath through your nostrils. Follow that movement into the body. Feel the rise and fall of your chest. The expansion and softening in your belly, perhaps feeling the breath in the back of your body, the sides of your rib cage, or anywhere else. Notice where it is that you feel the breath the most clearly, and then anchor the mind in that spot. Hold this deep curiosity on the breath as we work towards the perfect 10. Prepare with a slow breath in, and then count your exhale as breath. Number 1, exhale. Number 2, inhale. Number 2, exhale. Number 3, inhale. Number 3, and so on, all the way to the 10. Inhale. Number 5. And final. Anytime you notice that you have lost count, simply drop what you have been doing and being again. Sign out your need to with exhale, breathe number 1, back to inhale number 1, and so on. The goal is not out there, ahead of you, not 10th breath. The goal is remain present with just this one. Let the felt sense of breath in your body, the deep curiosity and your interest in the breath, its process, its movement, let all those things hold your attention on breath. Distraction will arise, but there is no need to chase them. Once you notice you have lost your count, No need to stay or judge or question why. Just a smooth, instantaneous flow back to the breath. Just inhale and exhale. Remembering that perfection is not a future condition or a future state of mind. Perfection can only exist right here and right now. Perfection arises in the present moment. Perfection is noticing the pool of distraction but giving no chase. Perfection is delicious to remain, to stay. It's in that moment when we act not out of habit, but with intention. At first, it takes effort. With practice, the action becomes instantaneous. Each flash of distraction gets ignored. We let it go. Yeah, just let it go. We stay. This breath out. This breath in. Inhale completely. Keep doing it. Meditation is training your mind to perform exactly how we intend it to, instead of allowing the mind to drag us around. Our breath has been there since the moment we are born, and every day it's keeping you alive. So, by honoring your breath, when we are ready to set intentions, creates a very powerful experience. Begin by setting the intention to manifest the change you desire. Say to yourself now, I manifest the changes that I desire. Let's honor our breath now by taking 5 significant and deliberate breaths. 1. Fully inhale, expanding your belly and chest as much as you can. Holding it for a moment and pause at least for 3 seconds. That's correct. Exhale and completely empty your stomach. You have filled your belly with fresh oxygen, and you need to repeat that for at least 3 times. Breathing deeply and fully is an expression of self-compassion. It unites us with universal love. It's good. This is your new tool that you use when you are ready to manifest the reality you desire. When you are feeling any kind of lack of motivation or negative inner talk, you immediately pause and take 5 deep, purposeful, and powerful breaths. These breaths always allow you to relax. Taking these conscious and dedicated breaths give you clarity and amplify your health. So the next time you catch yourself at the standstill, you must take these 5 healing breaths. It's nice. Manifesting is easy once you know the recipe. All you need is 3 ingredients: desire, dedication, and trust. Desire is the first ingredient in the manifestation. You must know that you want and desire it so gently that you clearly see any path that you need to take to get there. Knowing exactly what you are manifesting is very important. The more details you can add to your desire, the better. You write down your aspiration and goals, and you set an exact time that it will be accomplished. When you set an exact date is when your goal will be met, and write it down. The order is firmly given to your subconscious mind. And now taking action. Take a moment to think. Take a moment to think about your dreams and aspirations and see as many details as possible. You must dedicate time every single day to do something that takes you closer to gaining what you seek. Only you can do this. No one else can be dedicated for you. Manifestations start with you. You completely let go of thinking too hard about the things you have to do. Bring it all together and have confidence that things always fall into place perfectly. You must know with certainty that your goal is attainable and have faith. Take a few moments now to really trust in your desires become reality. And you put daily dedication that is required. And you can think, I always believe in myself. I trust the loving energy of the universe. Visualize with a greater detail yourself with your intention fulfilled. Notice what you look like and who you are talking to. The more detail you can add, the better. See the surroundings, such as where you are, places to go, and who is around. Take several moments to vivid see yourself having manifested all that you wish. So remember, honor your breath every single day by taking a moment to feel breathe in and out several times. When you breathe deeply, you automatically relax. The being relaxed is first step in being control of your life and emotions. Also, take these 3 words and remember them throughout your day: desire, dedication, and trust. Repeat them to yourself whenever you can. Thank you and have a good day today.